winter is looking like in my container garden. Look at my little garden. Look at my gate. Look how high the snow is. Look, even up to the van wheel. So Canada, we've been having a few days of snow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is like right beside my doorway. You see how far up my door the snow comes? See, that's the door. And look how far up, and it's still blowing. Honestly, even my garden. And we shoveled yesterday. So today is Sunday. Look at the trees. When you see, and the rooftops, when you see snow on, that's how much snow we're having. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Canada. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my.